Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at previewing your job information when it comes to the print feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back on the program here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at looking at your part numbers when it comes to the actual printing. And then we've also covered your actual report information for the client. So in today's video, I'm just going to head back into our print option. Let's put this back on our primary monitor here, or actually secondary. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to be looking at the information here at the bottom for our project. So I'm going to zoom in just so you guys can see a bit better what's happening. So now on the left here, you can see we've got this is the one we were looking at, the actual order number, you can say, or the project. So we've got that there, and then we've got the file, and this is kind of where it is saved to. Then so it's a URL, you can say we've got customer. This is the one we also filled in for the customer. And then if we have to go to the right of that, we've got a description, which is the description we added. Then we've got thickness, so this is obviously a thickness of your materials. And then we've got used area, how much we used. Then if we go to the top right, we've got size. This is the size of our material, so we can reference it. We've got the date and when we exported this. And then obviously the description, like I mentioned, a material type, which is steel. Used up area, so we can see we've used up 84% of the material. And yeah, so it's very handy when you're printing a report, especially if you're showing it to the client, or you have to go perhaps to the actual shops to get materials and so forth, because you'll see there's even more depth we can look at, or more information we can get regarding the parts and so forth. But yeah, so otherwise, just a quick recap. This is the information about your project that it's going to be printed. We have the client and that job type and that information, which we filled in the beginning. We've got information regarding your material and also the amount of space used. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the job information. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, you can just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the menu form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.